Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of social study, and in our last video, we have discussed about chapter number 12. Chapter name is Agriculture and Industry in India. And in this video, we are going to discuss about chapter number 12, that is part 2, types of crops. So, student, let's have a quick overview on the part 1, that is agriculture and types of farming. In part 1 we have discussed about the agriculture and types of farming. Agriculture is one of the most important occupation in the world. It provides us with the food we eat. It includes activity like the growing of crops and the rearing of animals. So student, most of the Indian people are depend upon the agriculture because agriculture is the main occupation of the people of India, and there are different types of farming. First one is arable farming and second one is pastoral farming. Arable farming, farmer grow crops like rice, wheat, maize, millets, oil seeds and pulses. And pastoral farming, farmers rears animals like cows, bullock, goats and sheep for their milk, wool and meat. And here arable farming is divided into two parts. First one is subsistence farming, second one is commercial farming. Subsistence farming, the farmer are able to grow just enough food to meet their own need, to meet their own requirement. Farmer in subsistence farming, the farmer grow crop only for the requirement and only for their own need, not for sell in the market. Next, commercial farming, crops are grown on a large scale and sold in the market for the profit. Here, the farmer grow crops for the profit motives. Now look at the types of crops. Many kind of crops are grown in India. They can be divided into food crop and cash crop. So student, there are different type of crops that are grown in India, and crops are divided into two parts. First one is food crops and second one is cash crops. So look at the food crops. Crops that are grown for food like rice, wheat, maize, millet, and pulses are called food crops. So, student, the crops meet our that meet the requirement of our food is called food crops, and that are grown for food like rice, wheat, maize, millet, and pulses are comes in food crops because these are come in the category of food, so we can call it's a food crops. Next one is cash crops. Crops that are grown for use in industry are called cash crop. So student, crops which are grown for the use in industry are called cash crops. For example, jute, cotton, coffee, sugarcane, coconut, and tea are cash crops. They are not consumed by the farmer and are only grown for sale. It means you can say cash crops are only grown for sale, not for consumed by the farmer. Now look at the cropping season. Cropping season. There are two main cropping season in India. There are two main cropping season in India. First one is Kharif and second one is Rabi. The crops are sown in June, July at the onset of monsoon and harvested in September, October. Rice, jowar, cotton, sugarcane, maize are Kharif crops. So student, the crops which are shown in the coming of the monsoon, and you can see the crop which are shown in June and July and the onset of monsoon and harvested in September and October is known as Kharif crops, and the crops which come in Kharif crops like rice, jowar, cotton, sugarcane and maize are Kharif crops. Next one is Rabi crops. So student, the crops are shown in October, November and harvested in March, April. Wheat, barley, mustard, gram, and pea are rabi crops. So, student, rabi crops are shown in October and November, harvested in March and April. And the crops which are comes in rabi crops like wheat, barley, mustard, gram, and pea are the crops which come in rabi crops. So, student, these are the two main cropping season in India. First one is Kharif and second one is Rabi. Now look at the major crops. Now look at the major crops. First one is rice. Rice is the most important food crops grown in India. It need a hot and wet climate and rich alluvial soil to grow. And rice is grown mainly in the states of West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar, and Tamil Nadu with the help of irrigation. However, places like Punjab have also become important regions of rice cultivation. Now look at the next, that is wheat is another important food crops. It grows best in slightly cool places. Haryana and Uttar Pradesh are the main producer of wheat. So student, wheat is also most important and major food crops of our country of India, and it found in states like Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh are the main producer of wheat. Now look at the millets. Millets like jowar, bajra, and ragi are grown in area of low rainfall and less fertile soil, like Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. So, student, millets are also a major crops and that are grown in area of low rainfall and less fertile soil. Um, Millets are found in such as states like Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. Now look at the corn and pulses. Corn and pulses are also major crops like moong, masoor, and urad are some of other food crops grown in India. Look at the next, sugarcane. Sugarcane. India produces large quantity of sugarcane. It is one of the main cash crop of India. It is used to make sugar and jaggery. So students, sugarcane is also a major crops of India, and it is used to make sugar and jaggery, and it is mainly produced by the states of Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Now look at the next major crop, that is cotton. Cotton is also an important cash crop of India. It grown best in Deccan Plateau region where black soil is found. So student, cotton is also a major crops and it is also a cash crop. It come in the category of cash crops. It means you can say these crops are grown only for sale, not consumed by the farmer, known as cash crop. So cotton come in the category of cash crop. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Haryana are some of the leading producer of cotton. Now look at the other cash crop grown in India are jute, oilseed like mustard and groundnut, tea, coffee, and spices like turmeric, cloves, cardamom, pepper, and coriander seeds. So student, there are many cash crops grown in India. Cash crops means the crops that are grown for use in industry are called cash crops, and they are not consumed by the farmer and are only grown for sale, is known as cash crop. So student, I hope you all understood about the type of crops and the major crop, and you have to read and learn about this crops. This is your today's homework. So that's all, and thank you.